Locus Standi, a Latin maxim meaning place of standing, refers to the legal right or capacity of a person to bring an action or appear in court. It determines whether an individual or entity has a sufficient connection to and harm from the law or action they are challenging, granting them the standing to sue or be heard. Traditionally, locus standi required the plaintiff to have a direct, personal stake in the case's outcome, showing they were directly affected by the issue at hand. In India, the traditional restrictive interpretation of locus standi gradually evolved into a more inclusive doctrine, particularly with the advent of public interest litigation, or PIL, in the 1980s. This transformation has empowered individuals and organizations to seek justice on behalf of marginalized sections of society and address broader societal concerns. Early developments, broadening the concept. Union of India, 1986, oleum gas leak case. The Supreme Court allowed MC Mehta, an environmental activist, to file a PL even though he was not directly affected by the gas leak. The court acknowledged that significant public concerns, such as environmental safety, necessitated a broader interpretation of locus standi. This marked a pivotal shift, enabling concerned citizens to approach the judiciary on matters affecting the public at large. Gupta v. Union of India, 1981. This case officially opened the doors for PILs, recognizing the right of public-spirited individuals to file cases for enforcing constitutional rights. The court emphasized that access to justice should not be hindered by procedural technicalities. Recent cases expanding citizen participation. In the case of Anjali Bhardwaj versus Union of India in 2021, Anjali Bhardwaj filed a public interest litigation addressing delays in appointments to information commissions, which are critical for enforcing the Right to Information Act. The Supreme Court accepted her locus standi, emphasizing that any citizen has the right to approach the court when public rights or duties are at stake, even without personal harm. In the landmark case of Bandhwa Mukti Morcha versus Union of India in 1984, the court allowed a social organization to file a public interest litigation on behalf of bonded laborers. This decision further expanded the scope of locus standi in addressing human rights violations. The evolution of locus standi in India has had profound implications. Firstly, it has increased access to justice. Courts have become more accessible to citizens and organizations seeking to address issues of public interest. Secondly, there is now a focus on collective rights. Cases involving the environment, human rights, and governance are brought to the forefront through public interest litigations. Lastly, it ensures judicial accountability. The broader interpretation of locus standi ensures greater accountability of the state in matters of public concern. The principle of locus standi has undergone a remarkable transformation in India. It has evolved from a rigid doctrine requiring direct personal harm to an inclusive framework, allowing citizens to act as guardians of public rights. This evolution has empowered civil society and individuals to play an active role in safeguarding fundamental rights and promoting public accountability. It reflects a judiciary committed to ensuring justice and protecting the collective well-being of society. For more insights into legal principles, landmark cases, and their impact on society, subscribe to Kanoonplus Live, your gateway to understanding law and justice.